How to share any Excel document as a link to Facebook group. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any Excel document as a link to any Facebook group. So all what you have to do is go to Excel app, choose the document you want. I'm gonna choose this one. Click here in the top on this option and choose share as a link. Click edit link and now swipe until you find your groups here and click on this icon and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.